In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove someone from Telegram group. We'll do this on Telegram Desktop, the app for Windows and Mac. Before we begin, a quick heads up. You must be a group admin or the group creator to remove members. If you don't see the options I mention, it likely means you don't have the necessary permissions, and you'll need an admin to adjust your role. Start by launching Telegram Desktop. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your chat list. If you're prompted to log in, just follow the on-screen steps and complete the login so you can access your chats. Next, select the group from your chat list. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the group by name. Make sure you've opened the correct group, especially if you manage several with similar names. Once you're inside the group chat, click the group name at the top of the window. This opens the group's profile page, where you can see details like the description, media, and administrative options. Think of this as the group's control center. Now, look for the Manage button. Depending on your app version, it may read Manage or Manage Group. Click it to open the configuration panel. If this option isn't visible, that's a sign your account doesn't have management rights in this group. In the Management panel, click Members. This shows the full list of people in the group, including admins and regular members. If the group is large, use the search field here to quickly locate the person you intend to remove. Hover your mouse over the person's name. On the right side, you'll see a Remove option appear. Move your cursor over it and click. If you're on a trackpad, simply glide the pointer over the name. The control will reveal itself when you hover. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Remove or Confirm to finalize. The change takes effect immediately, and the person will no longer be part of the group. Their past messages typically remain visible unless you or another admin delete them separately, so removing a member doesn't retroactively clear chat history. That's it. If you don't see Manager members, double-check your admin rights or update Telegram Desktop to the latest version and try again. Also remember, removing someone simply takes them out of the current membership list. If your group uses invite links, review your group permissions to ensure only the people you want can rejoin. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need to keep your Telegram group organized and focused.